What is network?
A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, things, phones or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of resources and allow electronic communications. Internet is an excellent example of a network, which connects millions of people all over the world. The computers on a network may be linked through copper, coaxial or fiber optic cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams.
Common network types. LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. SAN, Storage Area Network, System Area Network, Server Area Network, or sometimes Small Area Network.
Common network topologies. Bus topology. Mesh topology. Ring topology. Star topology. Tree topology. Hybrid topology.